Trading did not just teach me about the market, it also taught me more about myself. So in this video, we'll be talking about who I was during my early days of trading, what trading exposed about me, and who I am becoming currently. So who I was during my early days of trading, I used to be very emotional. Yeah, I used to be very, very, very emotional. So that kept me in a box where I'll take a loss and then I'll feel bad. I'll feel really bad. Whenever I take a loss, that day is gone. That day is gone. There's nothing that will make me happy. So secondly, I used to rush trade. Yeah, I used to rush trade. Let's say, everybody have a strategy, and everybody's strategy have confluences that makes a setup an A+ setup. So during my early days of trading, maybe there is a particular confluence that is not ready. I will end up taking that trade. I will just risk it, and then and then it end up in a loss. Whenever I end up in a loss, I'll go back to being so emotional. I'll go back to being so emotional. And then the next thing was wanting quick money. Wanting quick money. I want to make money fast. We all come into trading, seeing the professional traders that we see on Instagram posting the lifestyle and all that. All those things are the reason why most of us have the interest to trade, because we want to make money. So in my own case, I want to make it fast. When I mean fast, I mean in a year I should be driving Lamborghini, which is possible. I don't think it's possible, and depending on the person, because everything in trading is possible. So back then, I used to react to every loss. Once I hit a loss like this, I would be like, okay, let me just scalp my money back. Let me try and scalp my money back. This reacting to a loss is one of the biggest thing I struggle with a lot. Reacting to losses. I struggle with reacting to losses a lot. I'll take a loss, and then the next thing I'm going back into the market to find a way to scalp my loss back, and then at the end of the day I'll end up blowing my accounts. So moving to the next, which is what trading exposed about me. I used to think I'm very, very patient person. I used to think I'm patient. I have patience. Until I started trading, I get to understand that I am not patient at all. Like the level of patience you need. I get to realize that the level of patience that you need in trading is very, very crazy. Sorry, kind of like sweating. It's hot here. The level of patience you need in trading is very crazy. So I get to understand that. I used to think I'm patient, but coming into trading, I get to understand that I need to be more patient. And then the next is the lack of discipline. This again, as human, we always have this belief that we are disciplined, because remember, we all come from different background. What you term as discipline in your own background might be waste of time or lack of discipline in someone coming from a different background. So having this in mind, in trading, your discipline. The market did not care about your background. The market did not care about what you have been through. You just have to be disciplined the way the market wants you to be disciplined. So the next is overtrading. Oh my god. Oh my god. If I should show you guys my trading rules when I got into trading, I used to be like, I should trade 4 times a day, 40 times a week. I used to trade 40 times a week, and this, I'm not joking. I used to trade 40 times a week. So overtrading is one of the things that the market exposed. Yeah, overtrading. So literally the market just exposed every weakness I had. Every weakness I had, the market exposed every weakness I had. So currently, the type of person I'm becoming is, I'm becoming the chill type. Though I'm chill, but I'm becoming more chill. You know, chill. Some people might look chill, but they are not chill in their mind. So I'm chill. When I mean chill, I'm chill, but in my mind, I'm not chill. I look chill. In my mind, I get to understand that I look chill, but deep inside my mind, I'm not chill. But coming into trading, it exposed me to that attribute that I have, that challenge that I have, that you look chill, but deep inside your mind, you are not chill. So I have to tap into that frequency of not just looking chill, but to be calm and chill inside out. So calm in the mind, calm physically as well. And then secondly is patience. I get to understand that I'm not patient at all. No capping, I'm not patient at all. So I get to understand that I'm not patient. But currently, definitely, I'll say I'm getting there. I'm more patient. Let me use the word more patient, because now I can stay a week without trade. I can stay a week without being on a setup. Right? I can stay a week without being on a setup, and I can stay 1 week holding a trade without breaking my rules. I can hold a trade for 1 week, and I can wait 1 to 2 weeks for the right setup. So I can say I'm more patient now, more disciplined, and then waiting for setup. Before, I used to want setup. But now I'm waiting for setup. You understand? So now I understand that trading is not just about predicting that markets will go from point A to point B, but it's all about controlling your mind, controlling yourself, following your rules and all that. So the market keep humbling me until I get to understand all of this, that I need to be calm, I need to be patient, and I need to be more disciplined when waiting for my trade. So it's not like I'm waiting I have this idea to buy, and then the next minute I'm trying to sell to that buy. So rather, I'll just wait until it's time to buy, then I'll join the buyers, or vice versa. So if you're out there, you're struggling, please keep evolving. Just keep evolving. Don't try and be super delusional in what you are doing. Let's say, and try and be honest with yourself.